In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT as your business strategist to define your business strategy for your business. All right, this is pretty exciting, and we are going on a roll. And I'm really excited to share these details with you. Today, I'm going to talk about, let's say you have your product, you have your website, you have all the things, you have a focus group, and you feel like your business is kind of working. You tested it, and you feel like it's really good and actually grow my business to the next level. And you're like, oh, how do I grow? I don't know. I mean, I probably need to hire a business strategist. Probably it's a good idea to have a business strategist or a business coach to support you. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT as your business strategist to define your business strategy for your business. So let's jump in and let's get started right now. So what we are going to do is we clear up everything before. So essentially, we are going to talk about 7 strategies to grow. So that's what I'm going to name it. So, and then we will be like level 1. We are going to say, let's say I mean, I try to keep on bringing new products. This way, people from different industries can appreciate what we do here. So, so this is an instruction. Create a list of 5 strategies that I could use to attract massage parlors that are looking to increase their business by effective marketing. So imagine your business is a Facebook agency, SEO and marketing agency, and you want to do like Facebook marketing or Facebook ads for other people, yes, search engine optimization for people, and do marketing for them, generally speaking. Your customer is massage parlors in the US. Let's make it in the US, doing $50,000 to $250,000 in revenue. And create 7 is too much. I mean, okay, we'll stick with 7 strategy to grow my business to $250,000 in the next 12 months. Be very specific about what you want. If you want to ask universe, if you want to ask God, if you want to pray, you want to be very specific, just like that. If you want to ask the AI, not that AI is God or anything, but when you ask any kind of entity that has higher intelligence or like that has like decent intelligence, you want to be asking like really intelligent questions, right? So instruction: create a list of 5. That's so funny. Let's decide is it 5, is it 7, whatever. I could use to track massage parlor. So we don't need that thing, right? So we don't need that thing, but let's be very specific about it. So this way. Create a list of 7 strategies that I can use to attract massage parlors that are looking to increase their business by effectively marketing, so that I can grow my business to 250,000, business from $50,000 to 250,000 in the next 12 months. Very aggressive target. But let's see what ChatGPT has to say about that. Okay, that's level 1. Okay, so develop a lead generation strategy. So it's like doctor, heal thyself. Develop a lead generation strategy to identify and target potential massage parlors through online research and direct outreach. Create an optimized business listing on key online directories and review sites for local massage parlors to increase their visibility and attract more customers. Design and implement an effective SEO strategy. Same things that you're probably going to do to these people. That's what it's suggesting. And if you have a product or a service that is different and you want to do that, then feel free to do that, right? And utilize social media platform, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Create and distribute content such as blogs, videos, podcasts. Develop comprehensive email marketing plan. Analyze data and use insight to create targeted, personalized campaigns that maximize ROI. So now you're like, okay, I got it, but let's go one more level up and develop a lead generation strategy to identify and target potential massage parlors. So you are like, okay, this is good, but let's break it down. I mean, these are like high level ideas. Okay, give me 3 tactics for 1, 2, 3. Give me 3 tactics each for 1, 2, 3. See if it's intelligent enough to understand that. 1, 2, 3. 3 readily implementable tactics for readily implementable tactics for 1, 2, and 3. And this will help you with that. So I'm going to get rid of that. So let me copy it somewhere just in case, because if I want to use it some other way. So I'm going to say, aha, it understood. Good. So it understood from 1 and 2. Yeah, it doesn't know how to stop. It doesn't stop giving. So, okay, give me 3 readily implement tactics for 1, 2, and 3. So it kind of gave away the other ideas. Okay, so what you would do is, in that case, you could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are looking for 7 strategies. Okay, so then 6, 7, and see what she comes up with. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this again and see what she understands right now. So it gave 3 tactics actually for each of them. Okay, do you see that? So it's very powerful. Now you could actually, so now you have a business and you want to know how to scale. It's going to grow. It actually gave you a clear understanding about how to grow your business, right? These are the paths that you could use, and some of it might not be relevant, some of it might be relevant. The more details you give, the more clear it is going to it's going to answer you, right? So I'm going to take one more step up, which is level 3, where you would ask Chat GPT to do one more thing: create an SOP. So SOP basically means standard operating procedure, and she would know that. You know, some of us might not be familiar with it, but create an SOP for 1. Let's say create an SOP for 7 with less than 10 steps. So create a standard operating procedure for 7 as a different section below with less than 10 steps. So now you not only have these steps, you have the strategy: establish presence on social media, optimize your website, create a blog, utilize email marketing, develop partnership, advertise online, network. And then you have tactics, 3 tactics each for each of them. So you could see that the third one, it has attend industry events such as conferences, trade shows, leverage professional networking sites such as LinkedIn to connect with massage parlors, offer to do free consultation to provide advice. So 3 tactics each. Now, if it understands it intelligently, if it understands your intelligence, it should be able to come up with a standard operating procedure for networking. Give me 10 steps on how to do that. So I'm going to get rid of this. And if it doesn't understand, you always have a way. You can do it without all these details, and it will do it for you. So let's find out what happens now. Okay, this time it went with different bullet point styles: ABC, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay, it's fast too. So we don't need to waste. Oh, by the way, look at that. SOP for growing business from 250 to 450 in next 12 months. Establish a goal. Establish a goal. Oh, it gave you an SOP for actually growing, standard operating procedure for growing from 50,000 to 250. That's even better too, right? Establish a goal, develop a marketing plan, implement strategies, track progress, analyze results, adjust strategies, monitor progress. It's pretty clean. Like even if you go to like really big consultants, they might say something similar to this. This is what you want to do, right? By the way, what I was really looking for was not that though. I was looking for measure results, right? This is what I really wanted. So what I would do is I will select this and get rid of this. And looks like since it doesn't understand the complexity of our thinking, what we would do is so measure results. So we would say instruction is very simple. Instruction is very simple. Create an SOP for measuring results. Measuring results of my measuring results from the summary below. Make it less than 10 steps. Do it at a 5th a grade level. Okay, my business Facebook, 5th grade level. So here is an example. So measuring summary, measuring example. So we need to probably connect it with that, and then it will create. It really clearly understood it this time, right? So set up the goals to tracking performance, identify the key performance indicators, collect data for your marketing efforts and KPIs, analyze the data to understand, adjust the marketing strategies based on the data, monitor the performance of the strategies and KPIs, repeat step 3 to 6 as needed to ensure that you're getting the best results. Make sure that you document all changes to your strategies and the result, compare results from the original strategies to adjust the strategies, make adjustment as needed. So that's how you would measure it. So now you can move from growing your business. So you could get strategies, you could get tactics, and you could get specific actions that you could do. In addition to that, you could give this thing to your corresponding person, and that's their SOP, right? That's their SOP. And if you want to go advanced, there's one more step. Create an SOP video script. And if you want to create a video script from the below 10 points. So it can actually create a video script for you. So which means your SOP itself could be a video. Okay. So welcome to the SOP of tracking performance of marketing efforts. So people don't have to be bored by reading the SOP, like 17 steps. Instead, they could actually watch a video where you could be talking direct to camera. And I don't know whether you saw my video on how to use Q prompter. This is too little, but you got the general idea. And you could specify, I need this many words. And in that, you could go to Q prompter, which is a place where you could go and paste it, and you could actually like use this and start playing, and then you could record this. First, you will need to set up the goal tracking, identify, then collect the data of marketing efforts. Next, analyze the data to determine. After that, it's important to monitor performance, and you could come up with a video that will help them to clearly understand what to do. So at that point, there's no way for them to interpret your ideas to be something else. So that's the power of building and growing your business using AI. So I'll see you tomorrow with another amazing topic. Talk to you later.